30th competitive test. I do subscribe to this view, and I am surprised that it should be put forward as a practical proposition in view of the unfortunate experience which the industry suffered as a result of such a policy in 1985. Full stop. I believe that our industry will expand slowly, surely, and economically, if it is allowed to develop its creative talent without political interference. Full stop. Similarly, the vacancies due to retirement in the next financial year can be anticipated in the same month, as decisions about extension requirement, have to be taken well in advance. Full stop. This gives ample time to the appointing authorities to get the selection for the vacancies finalized well in time. Full stop. New paragraph. A quinquennial valuation is taken by life offices when bonuses are declared and provisions made for shareholders' dividends where the office is a proprietary one. Full stop. It is true that the holders of life policies payable with bonus pay a higher premium than the holders of life insurance policies payable without bonus. Full stop. Inverted comma start. More important, however, writing encourages thought and reason, and permits expression with the utmost clarity, precision, conciseness, grace, and tact. Full stop. Inverted comma close. There are many places in the organization, including the higher ranks, where such qualities are especially valued and sought. Full stop. New paragraph. The board felt this to be justified in view of the good trading results, and because of the patience of the shareholders who for a few years went without a dividend. Full stop. I have pleasure in concluding my statement with a tribute of thanks to the staff and managements. Full stop. Members will, I know, join the board in this, and in extending to them our good wishes for the current year. Full stop. Those who heard his arguments the other day as to the difference between the meaning of the two phrases, inverted comma start, heirs, executors, administrators, and assigns, inverted comma close, and inverted comma start, heads comma executors comma administrators comma or assigns inverted comma close will not soon forget his keenness full stop.